Let's take a look at how to add text and ink with Kami. So the first thing I want you to do is look way up at the top and make sure you have the Kami icon. This is going to be an extension that we use so that we can ink on our documents. So now I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. I'm going to go to Classwork, and I see that I have a new assignment. Now this is the first assignment my teacher's given me with Kami, so I've got this that I can look at, but here is my assignment. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to open with Kami. Now the first time I log into Kami, I need to log in with my Google Classroom, my school Google account. So I'm going to authorize this one. So I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to allow. And I'm going to say I'm using it for K-12 school. So I don't know why that came up twice. Allow. K-12 school. I'm a student. And finish. So now I'm going to go back. I can watch this little video if I want to, but I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to hit open with Kami. And then it's got me a student license. So now I have my worksheet, and I can, let's see, write the two words that make up each compound word. So I can either go over here and I can add text. I can choose the color. I'm just going to use black. And I can choose my font size. I choose 12. So, okay, clothespin. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. P-I-N. Now that looks a little bit small. So if I would like, I can make it larger. I'm going to click here. And it automatically gives me my text box. So under, we move that out of the way, stand. Now if I want to write, I can go over here to drawing. And let's say I want to draw in black also. I can S-N-O-W-F-L-A-K-E. I can change my color. Oops, I missed scarecrow. S-C-A-R-E-C-R-O-W. Now let's say I made a mistake, and I'm going to go back to text. So I'm going to click that out of the way. underground. Oops. I've got an extra G in there. I can go in and you see my little blinking cursor? I can backspace that out. Now let's say it's, oh, I can move it around? So it doesn't matter if you get on the wrong line. You can put it where you need to put it. Now let's say that I made a mistake and I needed to erase part of my annotations. I've got to be careful with this one. This one will erase all annotations. This one will only erase drawing and shapes. So I can come over here and I can erase just the W. So I didn't do that right, so it doesn't do a blanket erase. It only erases what you need to. So now it saves every 30 seconds, so it doesn't save quite as often as Google does. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, I'm going to say I'm finished, and I'm going to turn it in. So it looks a little bit different. So it says turn in, and then it's going to resave it to make sure that it has everything taken care of. And then it's turning it in for me. Now, if I realized, oh, I didn't do fireplace or Thanksgiving or handlebar, I can unsubmit it to make those changes. It won't let me make a change to it while it's turned in. So let me unsubmit. And then I'm going to click over here. Let's see. Fireplace. And I'm going to say that I'm done. And I'm going to turn it in. There was one unsaved changed. So now it's turned in, and when I go look at my Google classwork, let me refresh the page. It lets me know that it's turned in. If I want to go and look at it, I can look at it and I can see what I've submitted. And that's all there is to it.